That's Texas lasagna, and the flavour, I mean, come on, it's way up there. Unbelievable. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, Texas lasagna. A fabulous, fabulous Tex-Mex lasagna from the heart of Texas. Bursting with flavour. So before we get going, I've got a bowl here, look. I'm going to chuck in some tomato. We have to make a salsa. We don't have a jar of salsa. So tomato, onion, a little bit of absolutely extremely hot chili, coriander or cilantro, a little bit of garlic, a tad of salt. That's going to draw out some moisture. A little bit of black pepper, a little bit of cumin in there, a little bit of smoked paprika. Now you use an ordinary paprika, not a problem. And we want 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. We're going to add a splash of water and we're going to mix it all up. That should give us a nice salsa. And this is actually going inside our Texas lasagna. Now, if you can buy a jar of salsa, you just chuck in a jar in. But you know, fresh is best. Do you know what? This isn't complete without a squeeze of lime. I've got to get some lime in here. Not about a tablespoon. Come on. What are you doing? Oh, about a tablespoon of lime in there, look. That's fabulous. Now give it a mix. Now we're talking salsa. Oh yeah, that looks phenomenal. Look at that. One side. Now Texas lasagna does not have lasagna sheets, tortilla wraps. It's a simple recipe. It's fantastic. In there, a little bit of oil. So tasty. Taco seasoning in here. Oh, in there with your mince. This is minced beef. Come on, a little bit of breakup in there. Let's start it off before we go in with some garlic and onions. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. Just break it up, start to cook it down. We want it cooked. Now I will be using a 9x13 tin today, a glass tub thing. That will do. And oven on 190, 375. A little bit of salt and pepper on this beef. Cook out some of that water that's always coming out on here. And the taco seasoning I'm using today is my taco seasoning. And there's a link on the channel if you want to go make it. If not, buy one of those packets and use that. Clear yourself a space, get some garlic in there and then chuck in your onions. Nice little bit on there, look. Straight in with those onions and get it all stirred in, start cooking it off. In it goes, we don't have to wait around. Want to be going in there with a couple of tablespoons of your taco seasoning. This one blow your socks off. Oh yeah. Oh, looking, smelling absolutely off the charts. Love that Tex-Mex smell. Oh, it's fantastic. In there, passata. Or a tin of blended tomatoes. That will do the job. Oh yeah. In there, black beans. In there, corn. Let's have a little mix through on that one. Whoa, look at that. There's some flavour right there. Don't look much though, does it, colour-wise, but it will when you chuck in your salsa. Nice little stir in. Oh, look at that. That's what we're talking. A little cook on that, bring it all together. It might thicken a little bit, it's not going to thicken that much. But you know, the flavours are all going to play together, it'll be fantastic. Look at that. Now what you don't want to do is cook it too much and dry it out. We want a little bit of juiciness going on in there, you know. That's good enough, that's flame off. Okay, grab a tray, grab the dish that you're going to use and get a little bit of that in the... Okay, what you're doing, you're taking your flour tortilla, you're working out roughly it fitting in there like that. So we're just going to take that end off there, just cut the end off, and that, and these ends. We're just making it fit. Now the thing is, you know, you don't have to be so neat. You can just chuck it all in if you want. On there, come on. We're not going to waste those, are we? Come on, let's just chuck them in, eh? Come on. In there. Oh, yeah. Don't eat all the bits of tortilla, you're going to need it. Okay, in there. Sour cream. You know, this is a bit like making lasagna in the UK. You would put bechamel in here, but we're using sour cream in here and cheese. Oh yeah. Bit of cheese in there. Come on, want a layer in there. This is our flavour, we're building it up. Monterey Jack, mozzarella, cheddar, whatever you like. Come on, get it in there. Up to you. On there. Oh yeah. You know, I can tell you, I absolutely love this. This is one of my favourite lasagnas. You know, I love this Texas lasagna. The flavour, you know, is just bursting. You've got all that Tex-Mex coming through there. Oh yeah. As little or as much as you like. It doesn't matter. Come on. Now I'm sure there's 1,000 ways to make this, but there you go. Everybody will make it their own way. This is my way. Come on there, another layer of this, and that should be it. Come on, bring it in. We want it in there, don't we? We don't do anything by halves on here. Come on, we're eating this. Get it in. Oh, look at that. It's a beauty. On there. Nice little squidgy down. On there, come on. Okay, I'm just going to give this a little mash, make it a little bit easier to go on here actually. On there, come on, this is our top layer. Nice and steady on there with that. Spread it out. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is our Texas lasagna. Oh, it's awesome. That is looking a bit special. On there. A little bit more cheese, come on. And we're going to tent this over with some foil and we're going to bake it for about 25 minutes. Then we're going to take the foil off and we're going to bake it for another 10. We want some colour on here. We want the cheese to be golden and running and bubbling. Oh, all that goodness. Now you can oil all this out on the inside if you don't want the cheese to stick, or you can just make a loose tent over the top. Entirely up to you. We're going for the loose tent like that, look. We're going to get that whacked in the oven 25 minutes. Okay, let's get that foil off and brown up that cheese. Oh yeah, back in there. There you go, when you got a bit of colour on the top of there, that's our Texas lasagna. Oh, there's bubbling goodness right there, look at that. Right, we just have to let it cool down a little bit and then we're in on this. What a fabulous smell. Come on, there's no other way for this. We're in. We're going straight down that middle. Can we get in through the tortilla layers? Oh, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. We are on there. Oh, look at that. That is absolutely phenomenal. Come on, we want a daub of sour cream down there. A little bit of cilantro. And a little bit of lime. Oh, now come on Texas, you're the lone state, but you're not alone when you're eating like this. Oh, we are in here. All those layers of cheese and that tortilla. Oh yeah. I absolutely love it. It's one of my all-time favorite lasagnas. I love that Tex-Mex flavor and I just love how the tortillas all go soft inside but hold the layers together. It is truly, truly incredible. And I can tell you now my taco seasoning is a little bit fiery, and that sour cream just perfect. Just perfect. What a fantastic, fantastic lasagna. So that's Texas lasagna. How many of you out there actually make it? Some of you probably never heard of it, but there you go. How many make it? What's your take on the Texas lasagna? Do you put different ingredients in? What do you do? Let me know. I'll be interested to know. There you go. That's my version. Hope you like what we're doing. Share with your friends. That's Texas lasagna, and the flavor, I mean, come on, it's way up there. Unbelievable. If you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. We'll catch you in the next video. Oh yeah. That is off the charts. Look at that gooey in there. Come on.